some air conditioners. Here we go, the first unit. It's got a cool color. And down here, there's some more here. Looks like they're Maytags. Nice. Right here's, that's a Westinghouse. Maytags. I remember there being a big unit in the back, so we'll check that in a minute. Old Arcoaires. Let's see that big unit. Lennox Landmark. I've not heard of that. And then right there, it's an Arcoaire. So 3 Westinghouses and a Carrier Comfort Series, which I'm guessing the Comfort Series replaced a Westinghouse. Yeah, these are Westinghouses. Right there. Too bad they're all old looking. The big one here. That one's got a newer motor. So we got a little Carrier unit here. That one's got an LG in it. I can tell by the color of the compressor. This one's in a Westinghouse. That's a little Westinghouse right there.